Hi, I'm Lynne Matallana. I'm the founder of the National Fibromyalgia Association. Since I founded the organization in 1997, the past 18 years have been a wonderful experience of working with the fibromyalgia community. But now we have a new era in the NFA's future, and that is because Yolanda Castillo is going to be the new executive director, and I'm so pleased to introduce her to you today. Yolanda, thank you.
Thank you, Lynne.
Yolanda, can you share with me why you wanted to become the executive director of the National Fibromyalgia Association?
Absolutely. How often does a person get an opportunity to be able to implement and deliver services the way the NFA does to our community? That's why I'm here. I'm pleased to be here.
I was so excited when I met you, the passion that you have for everyone in the world, actually. I mean, you've worked in a lot of different nonprofit organizations. Can you share with us a little bit about your experience?
Certainly. As a licensed clinical social worker, I think that it is very important that we implement that part of the clinical component into the organization, which is going to give us the ability to not just work with the doctors and the medical community, but to be able to make that connection between the medical community and our consumers.
And that's exactly what the NFA has always been about, is the patients and the healthcare community working together.
Absolutely.
So what do you see continuing the same as in the past?
You have done such an amazing job in the community, and what we want to do is continue those programs, bring many of those programs back, such as the Leaders Against Pain, the focus on the magazine, that Aware magazine, and to be able to create new programs that are going to be fit to the community now.
So Yolanda, what do you think you're going to be able to add to the NFA that we haven't done in the past?
I think that the ability to be able to be out in the community and to work with leading nonprofit organizations out in the field is going to make us a stronger organization, because we're going to provide a wraparound services to those in need.
So Yolanda, when I first met you, the thing that really struck me was your passion. And I know that that's something that's so important to be an executive director of an organization. Can you tell me what passion means to you?
What passion means to me is to be able to provide services to the much needed community. For example, when our FM community is in need and they can't go out on their own and ask for services to be delivered or ask to see what is available, it is just really nice to be able to lead an organization that's going to go and ask those questions and deliver them to where they're at. To me, the passion means everything, wherever it might come from.
Well, I know that you have been working day and night since you started, and I just want the community to know that you have really dedicated yourself immediately to all of those people out there that are living in pain. And I know today you were mentioning your knee was hurting and that you really understand what it's like to have pain.
It is. And I guess sometimes everybody takes it for granted because we learn how to live with certain things that are going on in our lives. But it's not necessary. We have a choice, and that's why we're here, to be able to not just let you know that we're here and to be able to fight for what is right, but to be able to deliver the services to the FM community, to be really there, be the face that they want to see, somebody who's going to give them a word of hope.
Excellent. I'd like to also say, what do you think the community can do to help you in this new position?
Continue to ask us questions, continue to let us know what they need, what works and what does not work, what we're doing right and what's not too good out in the community. We want to make sure that we deliver those services that are going to be appropriate for everybody's needs. Everybody comes with different needs, so we want to make sure that we adapt our programs to fit everyone.
That's excellent. Well, Yolanda, after 18 years, obviously, am so thrilled to have found somebody that I truly believe in, and I know and I can reassure the community, you have someone here who is going to be doing a wonderful, wonderful service for you, and she is here for you, and I appreciate it so much, and I wish you luck.
Thank you, Lynne. Thank you.